host a domain on AWS. So basically we need these components. These are the AWS services. So Route53, CloudFront, S3 bucket, certificate manager. So first we have to take a domain in free. So we can go to any website. So I'm just using free now. So from there you can just buy a domain very easily. So this is the website. So here you have to log in, services, register a new domain, and you just add any domain, mytestdomain.tk or something like that, and just check out. So it will not ask for any money. So it will be free for 6 months to 12 months. So for this testing purpose, they are doing a very great job to provide us a domain. So when you just need for demo purpose, I just want to tell somebody about how to host a website, then why to buy simply. So for that purpose they are providing it. So just buy a domain, and then our next step would be to configure Route53 service. So Y53 is you have to just 53 is the port number for DNS, and then you have to manage the domain and then create hosted zone. DNS works basically on 53, port number 53. Then you have to configure the CloudFront. So this cloud will be used to store the files. Anyways, S3 bucket is storing your file. We are uploading all index.html and other PHP files, the web related files, but there should be cloud which will be hosting your domain. This is the certificate. We have to create the certificate and map it to this domain. So I'll show you. I have already done the settings. So in the next video I will just start from the beginning with the new domain. But in this video, how I have done, I'll show you. So first service was Route S3. So I'll show you that service, how to access, so that you get an overview. And in the next video you just see what exactly I'm doing. So Route53 is the first service. So we can see Route53. Okay, Route53. So two hosted zones I have. So in the beginning you just see there are 0 hosted zones. Just click on this. So when you will be taking the new domain, you just create hosted zone. So you have to click here. So I have already added here, you can see. So this was the first domain which I added. So which is working now. See, I have given this address and it is given with the index.html whatever I have uploaded there. Okay, it will not work with the www. So that we have to add that also. Let's click here. So here it will create the name, server details and everything. So this detail again you have to add to that free domain because your domain is bought here. Services, sign in. We have brought the services here. Your domain name is here, so you have to map to the name servers. So this is my domains. So this is the managed domain. So here you have to put all the name servers, so that when the request will be made, it will come here and it will search where to go, where is the real website is hosted with. So that is done with a record mapping. And tools, name servers. These are the name servers which I have put from there. So first when you will type with aws.tk, it will come to the domain provider. So that is free now. and again it will go to the name server. So name server will convert to the IP address the where the server is located. So our server is located in the AWS. So we have given the domain name here, the name servers here. So name servers are coming from this place. Okay, then our next service was CloudFront. So let's go to the CloudFront. CloudFront, what are the things? So we have to just click create distribution in the beginning. I have just added the distribution so you can see it here. Get started. Using domain name, you have to just click it here. Already existing. This is already existing, so don't need custom methods. So you have to just put the domain name which you have taken from that freenom aws.tk. This drop down is coming because I have already added here. It's already existing. So I have already also got it here. Okay, then the third was S3 bucket. So here it will create the bucket to upload the file. So this is public. I have just uploaded index.html. I can create a new folder also. Upload. These are the properties, permission to the file. So it will just act as a normal Unix server where you have to just disable it all the control. Otherwise, you are not able to access. You will not be able to access the file. Then again the next service is certificate. Certificate is certificate manager. Certificate manager is already issued. Otherwise you have to do request a certificate and then map it to the CloudFront. Okay, CloudFront. I'll click here and show edit. Here you can see certificate custom that is provided by us. No, I don't select this default. This alternate domain name you have to put. So the sequence is take free domain from freenom, open Route53 from AWS console, then manage domain, create the hosted domain zone, and then enter domain name and create hosted zone. Copy the name server to freenom that I have already explained. Manage domain section, then add customize name server. Then open S3 bucket and enter the domain name and click next. So static website hosting we have to select. Go to overview static, then upload the file. Provide bucket read only for permission. Copy and paste the policy. So policy link will be there. Then you have to paste the policy there. Also change bucket policy. Block all access to. This is the sequence. Like first one was Route53. Then upload the file in S3 bucket, and then you have to go to CloudFront service and create distribution. Add domain, copy the endpoint domain from S3, edit and add the original domain aws.tk. Set up SSL certificate, add the certificate in CloudFront. Enter the domain name as alias in Route53 from CloudFront. Set the domain name in Route53 CloudFront domain name field. So this is like whole setup and diagram. So I will be providing this also in the link. Okay, then thanks for watching, friends.